In this video, I will teach you how to create login in AppSheet. AppSheet helps you build powerful applications and automations that boost productivity. There is no coding requirements here, so it's free and easy to use. So first thing you have to do is to go to the website appsheet.com. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Get Started right here and sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. But if you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In the upper right corner. Once you're logged in, you'll see your AppSheet dashboard. You can either create a new app by clicking on this Create button right here and create an app, or you can also open an existing one where you want to enable login. Now to enable login, you just have to go to the Security tab in the left-hand menu, which is right here. Then under the Requires Sign In section, all you have to do is to check the box that says Require User Sign In. Now AppSheet will now ask users to sign in before accessing the app. Now under this, you will be able to see the Authentication Providers section. By default, you will be able to see that AppSheet uses Google, Microsoft, or other identity providers. You can choose which one you want to allow. You just have to check or uncheck the boxes based on your needs. Now once you're done setting up, you just have to scroll to the top or just click on this top right corner, that Save button. Now, users are now required to log in before using the app. And that's how to create login in AppSheet. Perfect for securing your app and managing your user access. That's all there is today. Hope we help.